What is Russia's response to the Ukrainian drone attack on Tula city? The incident has sparked intense reactions and strategic moves that reveal much about the ongoing conflict's dynamics. You need to know how Moscow is countering this bold strike. Right after the Ukrainian drone attack on Tula city, Russian air defense units sprang into action. They claim to have detected and intercepted several drones targeting key military and industrial facilities. This rapid response limited the damage significantly. Tula, known for its weapons manufacturing, is a sensitive strategic site, so Moscow prioritizes its defense heavily. The attack exposed vulnerabilities, but also highlighted Russia's preparedness to counter aerial threats swiftly. Politically, Russia framed the drone strike as an act of terrorism against civilian infrastructure. Kremlin spokespeople condemned Ukraine for escalating the conflict beyond front lines. State-controlled media portrayed the event as a symbol of Russian resilience, rallying public support and justifying increased security protocols. This narrative aims to strengthen domestic unity and delegitimize Ukrainian tactics in the eyes of the international community. In response to the threat demonstrated by the Tula drone strike, Russia has reportedly bolstered its air defense systems not only in Tula, but across other strategic sites in western Russia. This includes deploying more advanced radar and electronic warfare units designed to detect and neutralize drone threats early. The attack prompted a reassessment of vulnerabilities, leading to tighter perimeter controls and increased patrols to prevent similar incidents. Russia's swift and multifaceted response to the Ukrainian drone attack on Tula city reveals how critical this conflict has become. From rapid military interception to strategic security upgrades, Moscow shows it is adapting quickly to new threats. For daily insights into global events and surprising answers to your burning questions, hit subscribe and stay informed with daily Q&A.